Getting to Windows 7 shutdown menu with the keyboard. On my Windows XP I simply press Start and GT/U to see the Windows shutdown menu, so I can choose whether to shut down or restart or standby or whatever. Is there a similarly elegant way to do that on Windows 7, without touching the mouse?
Try Win plus D, followed by Alt plus F4. Attempting to close the shell should display the shutdown dialog.
Win, space equals shutdown. Win, equals shutdown menu, or to navigate.
Win R. Type, shutdown T0. Enter. About the shutdown command.
In order, not together. Win. U.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.